an incline. Okay, we are provided an incline, and on this incline we have object coming to this point, and here object started from rest. Okay, at rest, and this is point A. At point A it is at rest. At point B we have to find the velocity. Okay, so this we have to find. And what are the things given? So the given things are mu is given 0.1. Okay, and the height is given, suppose 2 meter. Okay, so these are the things given. The mu is 0.1 and height is 2 meter, and this horizontal distance is also given, that is suppose 1 meter. Okay, okay, consider it 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, not 1 meter. This is 2 meter, this is 3 meter, and mu is 0.1. We have to find velocity of the object when it reaches to point B. So how do you find it? So again, we can write the work energy relation. So delta U plus delta K equal to work done by all the forces, external forces. So normal does not do any work, but friction will do the work. So delta U plus delta K equal to work done by friction. There is only one external force, that is friction. Okay. So delta U is how much? So how much is the change in potential energy? So minus mgh. Okay. Then how much is the change in kinetic energy? So initially at rest and final is at V. Velocity at V. So final we can write as half mv square. Initial we can write as half mu square. Okay. So this is difference of kinetic energy between initial and final point. So here U is 0, and finally the V is we have to find. Height is 2h and horizontal distance. So what is the work done by friction? So we had written that work done by friction is minus mu mg into horizontal displacement. So this we can use minus mu mg x for the work done of friction. So this is 0 and m will cancel throughout. So minus mg. So m is also cancelled. So we will have minus gh plus v square by 2 minus mu g x. Okay, so if you solve it, the v square is equal to 2 times gh minus mu g x. Okay, this much. So 2 into how much is g? So g h minus mu x. So this is also one we can take as a formula. This also can be taken as a formula, this thing. So I will write it separately. So 2 into 10, and h is how much? The declining height h. The h is 2 meter minus mu is 0.1 into 3. Okay. So we are getting 2 minus 0.3, so 1.7. So 20 into 1.7 or 34 joule we are getting. So 34 unit, whatever v square. So root 34 we are getting. Okay, so velocity we are getting is root 34 units. So this much meter per second. Okay, so we can memorize a formula also. We are having a formula at this place. We are deriving a formula. So the formula is V is equal to 2g h minus mu x. So this can be memorized as a formula. If an object is sliding on a rough incline, then velocity acquired by object. If object is sliding on a rough incline, object is sliding on a rough incline. Okay, slowly. Okay, why slowly? Because if you do not move it slowly, then you can have some other forces like centripetal force and other kind of forces also appear. So that's why we consider slowly. So an object sliding on a rough incline slowly, then the velocity acquired by starting from rest. Okay, starting from rest, then we can use this formula. The velocity acquired by object can be given by this expression. Okay,